to get this cargo light off the vehicle, you need a T20 Torx bit. You can use a drill or a screwdriver, whatever you prefer. There's only 2 screws here. Now the third brake light just pops out like this, and you can go ahead and disconnect the bulbs from the back. Twist them counterclockwise to remove them. Now, if they've been on for a while, they're going to be a little toasty, so you might need to use a pliers or something like that to pop them out. Just be very careful that you don't break them. All right, now the bulbs we're going to be using in the cargo lights themselves are the Ultra Series bulbs from GTR Lighting. These are a fantastic upgrade if you're trying to see what you're doing in the back of the bed of the truck, if you're trying to load anything up. If you got one of those toolboxes in the back, this is a great idea for you. So, Ultra Series GTR Lighting. Now for the brake light, this is a CAN bus series light from GTR Lighting. It's a little bit newer and it is very bright. So I'm going to start with that one. I've got someone in the truck right now holding the brake switch down for me so I can make sure that these go in the right way. If you plug a bulb in and it doesn't work, pop it out, flip it around and plug it back in. They are polarity specific. So we'll get all these plugged in here and just install them one by one. They go in the same way they came out, and instead of counterclockwise, you just rotate them clockwise to lock them in place. As you can see, that is a significant upgrade in the cargo lights especially. The brake lights definitely brighter too, but the thing you're probably going to use the most are the cargo lights. These are so nice. Anything in the bed of the truck, totally illuminated. To reinstall it, it's the same way that it came out. Just kind of pop it in there. There's 2 alignment dowels on the back. It only goes on one way. Put the screws back in, you're all done. If you need headlights, taillights, reverse lights, anything you can think of for these Silverados, we've got them all on our website at headlightrevolution.com. Follow us on YouTube. We're posting new videos just about every day. Thank you for watching.